Hello everyone, this is a quick update on the Chewbacca shirt. So, I fixed Chewbacca up. He doesn't look horrible. He actually looks kind of like Chewbacca. I painted the white t-shirt blue with some watercolors. Yeah, and here is a comparison. Here's Chewbacca. Here's like a face of Chewbacca. And then here's Chewbacca. He just looks crazy. But I saw a photo with Chewbacca's teeth. And that's like where I got my reference from. But, yeah. I will probably be painting this side more blue. Sorry about that, the camera moved. This side more blue. And this side looks great. And this was like a great fun activity that took me almost 4 to 5 hours to make, which is like scary. I don't know. I'm just slow at like sewing and stuff. So yeah, here's the quick update. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Thanks so much for watching, and goodbye.